heating up my oil. My palm oil is on the stove already. So I'm gonna add chopped onions. I'm adding chopped onions. Then I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna add a paste. This paste is a mixture of garlic, ginger, and onions. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of this. This is a party style egusi. I'm making it in my grandmother's style. A mixture of fried egusi and steamed egusi. This is our egusi. I'm going to fry half of this and set the half aside for later. All right, you can see that the egusi is well fried now. It's looking so colorful and beautiful. So I'm going to add my seasoning now. I'm adding my seasoning. I'm adding this crayfish. I'm adding this seasoning too. I'm adding salt, pink salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of locust beans. Okay, so I'm going to add the pepper that's been blended. It's a mixture of Rodo. Yes, Rodo and then Tatase. Let this together thoroughly and let it steam for a while. See how color it is. The party style egusi. So I have stockfish here. It has been pre-boiled. I'm going to add it right now for it to cook very well and very soft. So I'm adding the stockfish. This is our Ponmo. So I have my stock broth from the chicken broth. So I'm adding into my pot. All right, so I'm going to have the second half of the egusi. You can see it's been molded into egusi ball. I'm going to add this egusi ball into it to steam for some minutes before I add my other protein. So I'm going to have this egusi ball into it. This is the way my grandmother used to make it. I'm going to reduce the heat and let it steam for some minutes before we add the proteins, the other proteins. There we have it. So we're going to cover up for about 10 minutes. Then we come back to add the other protein. Oh, it's looking very good now. You can see the egusi ball is now very, it's looking very good the way we want it to come out.